My closet is small, but every piece inside has a story. Today, I want to show you my clothes. So open the door with me and take a look. Every morning, I stand in front of my closet. I look inside, and I choose my clothes for the day. It's a small moment, but I enjoy it. Most days, I keep things simple. I wear a t-shirt and jeans. My t-shirts are blue, white, or gray. Soft colors feel calm to me. Loud colors are not my style. After the t-shirt, I put on my jeans. Then my socks, and then my shoes. I always put on my left sock first. It's a funny little habit. But hey, it works for me. I get dressed slowly, without stress. Then I look in the mirror one time. If I feel good, I'm ready to go. Now, the weather changes my clothes a lot. On hot days, I wear shorts and a light t-shirt. On rainy days, I take my dark blue jacket. It has a big hood, and I love that hood. On weekends, my clothes are even more relaxed. I wear an old t-shirt and soft pants. Sometimes I stay in them all day. Weekend clothes are for resting, not for looking nice. But my favorite piece is for cold days. It's my old grayish blue sweater. It's soft, simple, and a little heavy. The color is quiet, just like me. It keeps me warm on cold mornings. I wear it at home, at work, everywhere. Some clothes just feel like home. This sweater is one of them. Let me tell you a short story about it. I bought this sweater many years ago. It was a cold and rainy day. I was walking home, and I felt so cold. So I went into a small shop. The shop was warm and quiet. I saw the sweater near the window. I tried it on, and it felt perfect. Warm, soft, and comfortable. I smiled at the mirror like a happy child. I paid, and I wore it home that day. Now the sweater is old. There is a small hole in one arm. But I can't say goodbye to it. Old clothes hold old memories. And this one holds a very warm memory. Now, about buying new clothes. Honestly, I don't go shopping very often. Maybe 2 or 3 times a year. When I shop, I have one simple rule. Comfortable first, beautiful second. I always try clothes on before I buy them. I move my arms, and I walk a little. If the clothes feel tight, I say no. Clothes should feel easy on your body. When you feel comfortable, you feel confident. And confidence looks good on everyone. So, that is the story of my clothes. A simple t-shirt, old blue jeans, a jacket with a big hood, and one soft sweater, full of memories. My closet is small, but it's enough. Because good clothes are not about money. They are about how they make you feel. If you enjoy slow and easy English like this, please subscribe to Slow English Listening. We practice together, one story at a time. And if you like this story, watch my story about going shopping next. Thank you for listening today. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.